Tilal al Ghaf, and it's July the 1st construction update. So as you can see, here are the very first townhouses that are almost ready. So it's very exciting. And just check out this video that I'm going to do here for you now. So here you have it, and we're just going to drive along the main road here so you will see exactly what is happening for the very first townhouses that are currently, they're going to be handed over by the end of this year. So here you have them, Tilal al Ghaf phase 1 townhouses. They're all painted and all up, and now they're inside starting to do the electrics and all the internals. So it's very, very exciting for us. I've just driven past, and they're actually starting to build the community center and the Carrefour supermarket. So it really is up and here. So very exciting. Now, if you are an owner or a potential buyer,